Hello everyone. Today we are seeing skeletal system. Skeletal system is a system which framework the body and consists of the bone, cartilage, ligaments and tendons. It provides support, protection, movement and mineral storage of an body. There are some aspects of the bones. First, structure of bone. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones in adults, which is vary in a shape, structure and function. These bones are connected to each other by the joints. The skeletal is divided into the two main parts, axial skeletal and appendicular. In axial skeletal consists of the skull, vertebral column and rib cage. In a skull, the skull consists of 22 bones, which includes cranium and facial bones. The vertebral column consists of the 26 bones, which including 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar and 5 sacrum and 4 coccyx. Rib cage, the ribs is consist of the 24 ribs pair, means the 12 pair of an ribs and sternum. Second one, it is a appendicular skeletal. The appendicular skeletal is consist of the upper limb, lower limb, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Each upper limb consists of 30 bones, which including humerus, radius, ulna, metacarpal, carpal and phalanges. Lower limb consists of 30 bones, which consist femur, patelles, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. Another is a pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle consists of the 4 bones, which include scapula and clavicles. The last one of the appendicular skeletal is a pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle consists of the 2 main bones, hip bone and hip bone it is fused with the sacrum. The next part of an skeletal system, it is a functions of an skeletal system. The main function of an skeletal system, the skeletal system gives the framework to the body, support to the body, protection of an vital organs from the external environment. The vital organs such as the lungs, liver, heart, spinal cord, brain, etc. Another function is the movement. The bones and shows the contraction and relaxation with the muscles and possesses the movement. Another is a mineral storage. The bone, it is the storage of the mineral, for example calcium and phosphorus, which is release the bloodstream when it is needed for the body functions. Another function of an bone, it is a blood cell productions. In that blood cell production, the bone marrow, which is responsible for the production of an red blood cell and white blood cells. Next part of an skeletal system we seen is a types of bone. There are various types of bone according to their structure: long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone and sesamoid bone. In a long bone, these bones are longer than the wide and the shaft. For example, femur, tibia, humerus. Short bones are equal in length and width. For example, carpal in wrist and tarsal in a foot. Flat bone. These bones are thin and flat and provide the protection and attachment for the muscles. For example, skull and ribs of the scapula. Irregular bones. These bones does not have any regular shape. For example, vertebra and facial bones. Sesamoid bone. These bones are small bones and embedded in a tendons. For example, patella is a kneecap. Here we see the detail about skeletal system. Thank you.